Tipra Motha Uttar Takma Village Committee observed the 117th anniversary of Maharaja Bir Bikram Kishore Manikya. The chief guests at the event were ADC EM Ravindra Debarma. The 117th anniversary of Maharaja Bir Bikram Kishore Manikya Bahadur was celebrated at Potichari Dropgate Market. The present guests include EM Ravindra Debarma, South Zonal Chairman Narayan Riyam, South Zonal Joint Chairman Harendra Riyam, Tipra Motha Party Central Committee Vice President Gaurav Mok Chaudhary, Santir Bazar Tipra Motha Block President Rasanjit Riyang, Sabrung Political District Committee General Secretary Jewel Riyang, and Bir Chandra Monu Sub Zonal Chairman Ranjit Riyang and dignitaries. On the occasion, Rignai were distributed to the locals.
Chini Maharaja Bir Bikram Kishore Manikya Bahadur ne 117 Bard University Nyaka Baseman Salno Uriprawino Tini Uttor Tagmasara Bishini Chini Bishini Jara Monitoring Committee plus Oro Jara Chini Leaders Rock Borni Khapurma Bai Ba Borni Saito Mumbai Tini Oro Kurui Nukung Bishes Kai Chini Buma Songno Jara Boyos Korongno Tini 130 family no oro rignai tini rizaka abo chini bubagrani asaima salno mutu narguino omahai mohan ব্যক্তি rongni asaimani salogo chung kobangma jagano nogo roktodan khayo kono jaga angkai tamane bono শিক্ষা দান ro ko tabuk tini oro je bostro dan omo kaisa dharma boklayo gaon bagai ang specially borok tinan oro khobor kha Kija Pai Manjak Pai Dinai as a addition EM Hijabe Bruno Committee on a Bella Belakan Hambai Rivo Tinango future of Taibo Market Samu Kahamno Taibo Kanyaningtong Kamini Lama Omai Katar Salo Kamini Lamas Drogo or on a hospital Chini Rugirano Kuti Chariwoi Kabang Machini Bazarox Sapsutra Kanyarok Kurirono Subanarok Amtirok Tevopuni Bakau Paitung Angison Tanabo Diayo.
Reported by Bikram from Santi Bazar, Chinikhora.